Good morning. I'm Srinivas Reddy, Associate Professor of Mathematics, Government Degree College, Ramanapet, Telangana State. This is my 17th video lesson, and this is the 4th video lesson on geometry, analytical solid geometry. Today, I will talk on great circle. So first, I will define today what is the meaning of a circle. When we say circle is called great circle, and some problems on great circle and related to problems on circle, and we see intersection of sphere and line, intersection of sphere and line. So when you say a circle is called a great circle, a circle is called great circle if the center of sphere passes through the plane. If the center of sphere passes through the plane, then the plane section of sphere is called great circle. So great circle means if the center of sphere passes through the plane, then the plane section of sphere is called great circle. So we see one problem on this. Obtain the equation of the sphere having the circle x square plus y square plus z square plus 10y minus 4z minus 8 equals 0, x plus y plus z equal 3 as the great circle. Here we have to find a circle having the circle as the great circle. Now we know that equation of any sphere through the given circle is. So given circle, we know any equation of a sphere through the given circle s equals 0, lambda equal to phi equals 0 is s plus lambda phi equals 0. Here s is a sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 10y minus 4z minus 8 plus lambda into phi is x plus y plus z minus 3 equals 0. So any circle passing through the circle, any sphere passing through the circle is a s plus lambda phi equals 0. So that's why x square plus y square plus z square plus 10y plus 4z minus 8 plus lambda into x plus y plus z minus 3 equals 0. So now x square plus y square plus z square plus lambda x. Here 10y is there, lambda y is there, taking common y. 10 plus lambda into y. And here minus 4z plus lambda z. So we'll get lambda minus 4 into z. So taking common z, lambda minus 4 into z, and minus 8 minus 3 lambda. Minus 8 minus 3 lambda. So x square plus y square plus z square plus lambda x, and taking common y, we get 10 plus lambda of y, and taking common z, lambda minus 4 of z, minus 8 minus 3 lambda, minus 8 minus 3 lambda. Now comparing this equation with the x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux. 2ux means 2u equal lambda, and plus 2vy. 2v equal to 10 plus lambda plus 2wz. 2w equal to lambda minus 4 plus d equals 0. So comparing with the general equation of this sphere, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equals 0. So 2u is equal to lambda, 2v equal to 10 plus lambda. So 2w is equal to lambda minus 4, and constant d is minus 8 minus 3 lambda. So this is one, we want only center of sphere. So u is equal to lambda by 2, v is equal to 10 plus lambda by 2, w is equal to lambda minus 4 by 2. W is equal to lambda minus 4 by 2. So we know the center of the sphere for the general equation x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equals 0 is minus u minus v minus w. So minus u means minus lambda by 2. Minus v means minus 10 minus lambda by 2. And this is a minus w means minus lambda plus 4. 4 minus lambda by 2. This is center of sphere. So this is minus lambda by 2, minus 10 by 5 is minus 5, and minus lambda by 2, 4 by 2 is 2, minus lambda by 2. So if the sphere 1, this sphere 1 is a great circle. If the given circle is a great circle of sphere 1, if the given circle is a great circle of sphere 1, then the center of sphere 1 passes through the plane x plus y plus z equal 3 of the circle. So, if the given circle is the great circle of the sphere 1, then center of this sphere is passes through the plane. Here plane is x plus y plus z equal 3. So we know that the great circle means the center of sphere passes through the plane. So center is a minus lambda by 2 minus 5 minus 1 by 2 lambda, 2 minus 1 by 2 lambda. This passes through this point lies on, passes through means this point lies on the x plus y plus z equals 3. Substitute x equal to minus lambda by 2, y is equal to minus 5, z equal to minus 1 by 2 lambda, x equal to minus lambda by 2, y equal to minus 5 minus 1 by 2 lambda, z equal to 2 minus 1 by 2 lambda. So minus lambda 2 minus 5 minus lambda by 2 plus 2 minus 1 by 2. So we'll get minus lambda by 2 minus lambda by 2 3 of minus 3 by 2 of minus 3 by 2 lambda. Here minus 5 plus 2 minus 3, taking right side we get plus 3, 3 plus 3 6. So minus 3 lambda equal to 12, lambda equal to minus 12 by 3. Therefore lambda is equal to minus 4. So lambda is equal to minus 4. Here minus lambda by 2 minus 5 minus lambda by 2 plus 2 minus 1 by 2 lambda equals 0. So lambda by 2 lambda 3 minus 3 lambda by 2, that equal to minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3, taking right side plus 3, 3 plus 3. So minus 3 lambda equal to 12, 2 into 6 12. So lambda equal to minus 12 by 3 minus 4. So now equation of required sphere is substituting lambda equal to minus 4 here. So lambda equal to by 1 here, write minus 4. So we'll get, so by 1 x square plus y square plus 10y minus 4z minus 8 minus 4 of x plus y plus z minus 3 equal to 0. So finally x square plus y square plus z square minus 4x 10y minus 4y plus 6y and minus 4z minus 4z minus 8z minus 8 plus 12 plus 4 equal to 0. This is a required sphere. So great circle means if the center of sphere passes through the plane or the plane passes through the center of sphere, then the plane section of sphere is called the great circle. So we have just first we have I have written equation of the sphere passing through this circle. If the given circle is a great circle of the sphere 1, then the center passes through the plane x plus y plus z equal to 3, and we have substituted here, we get lambda. So then we get the equation of the required sphere. And also, whenever it is a great circle, the center of sphere, the center of circle is same as the center of sphere, and radius of circle is same as the radius of sphere. That is one observation. So if the given circle is a great circle, then the center of circle is center of sphere, center of radius of circle is same as radius of the sphere. See one problem on circle. Show that the circles x square plus y square plus z square minus y plus 2z equals 0, x minus y plus z minus 2 equals 0, x square plus y square plus z square x plus x minus 3y plus z minus 5 equals 0, 2x minus y plus 4z minus 1 equals 0 lie on the same sphere, and find its equation So first equation of sphere through the first circle. First circle is x square plus y square plus z square minus y plus 2z equals 0, x minus y plus z minus 2 equals 0. You know that the equation of the sphere through the circle s equals 0, phi equals 0 is s plus lambda phi equals 0. So s is x square plus y square plus z square minus y minus 2z plus lambda into x minus y. Phi means x minus y plus z minus 2 equals 0. So here we are getting x square plus y square plus z square lambda x. So taking common y, so here minus 1 minus lambda plus minus lambda minus 1 of y, and z common 2z plus lambda z, 2 plus lambda into z, and minus 2 lambda. So equation of the sphere through the first circle is x square plus y square plus z square, will get plus lambda x plus minus lambda minus 1 of y plus 2 plus lambda into z minus 2 lambda equal to 0. Similarly, equation of the sphere through the second circle is x square plus y square plus z square plus x minus 3y plus z minus 5 equals 0, 2x minus y plus 4z minus 1 equals 0. So we can write equation of sphere through the second circle is x square plus y square plus z square plus x minus 3y plus z minus 5 plus mu. I write here constant in place of lambda. I will write mu into 2x minus 5 plus 4z minus 1 equals 0. So x square plus y square plus z square, here x plus 2 mu x, taking x common, we'll get 1 plus 2 mu into x. So x plus 2 mu x, taking common x, we will get 1 plus 2 mu into x. And here taking common y, we'll get a plus of minus 3 minus mu of y, and minus 3 minus mu of y, plus 1 plus 4 mu, 1 plus taking z common, we will get z plus 4 mu z. Here of z means 1 plus 4 mu into z. Here we have to write 1 plus 4 mu into z minus 5 minus mu equal to 0. So here minus 5 minus mu equal to 0. So here x square plus y square plus z square, taking x common, 1 plus 2 mu of x minus 3 minus mu of y, and z, taking z common, 1 plus 4 mu of z. Here z is missing. 1 plus 4 mu into z. You have to write here z minus 5 minus mu equal to 0. So comparing the equations, these two equations represent the same equation. So we have to show the given circles lie on the same sphere. So if they lie in the same sphere, then 1 and 2 represent the same equation. So the equations 1 and 2 represent the same equation if. So comparing the coefficients, so lambda must be equal to, from 1 and 2, lambda must be equal to 1 plus 2 mu, and minus lambda minus 1 equal to minus 3 minus mu, and here 2 plus lambda into z. Here mu z is means 1 plus 4 mu into z, 1 plus 4 mu into z. So comparing these two, 2 plus lambda, here 1 plus 4 mu into z. So 2 plus lambda equal to 1 plus 4 mu, and constant minus 2 lambda equal to minus 5 minus mu. Here 1 plus 4 mu into z. So here z coefficient is 1 plus 4 mu, here 2 plus lambda. That's why 2 plus lambda equal to 1 plus 4 mu. So minus 2 lambda minus 5 minus mu. Now we have to find the values of lambda and mu. It is enough to solve lambda and mu. You can use only two equations. I will use 3 and 4, and then I will substitute the values of lambda mu in 5 and 6. If it satisfies, then the given two circles lie on the same sphere. First, I will find the values. I can find the values from 1, 3 and 4. Adding 3 and 4. Adding 3 and 4 will get lambda will be cancelled, minus 1, 2 mu minus mu, 1 minus 3 minus 2. Adding these two will get minus 1 equal to mu minus 2. So minus 1 equal to, adding these two, 3 and 4, minus 1 equal to mu minus 2. Mu is equal to, taking left side, mu is equal to 2 minus 1. Mu is equal to 2 minus 1. So finally we are getting mu is equal to 1. So here, to find lambda and mu, I can use the equations 3 and 4. I can solve the equations 3 and 4. Just to add these two, we'll get minus 1 equal to 2 mu minus mu, 1 minus 3 minus 2. We'll get, so mu is equal to 1 minus 1 equal to mu minus 2. Taking the left side, we'll get mu is equal to 2 minus 1. Mu is equal to 2 minus 1. Finally, we get mu is equal to 1. Again by 3, lambda is equal to 2 mu plus 1. So lambda equal to 2 mu plus 1. Substitute mu is equal to 1. So mu is equal to 1. 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So finally, we are getting lambda is equal to 3, mu is equal to 1. So this way also, these values also satisfy the equation 5 and 6, because the equation 5 and 6 are 2 plus lambda is equal to 1 plus 4 mu, minus 2 lambda equal to minus 5 minus mu. So if you substitute here, lambda is 3, left hand side is 5, right hand side mu is 1, 1 plus 4, 5. These two are equal. And here lambda is equal to 3, minus 6. Here right hand side mu is equal to 1, minus 6. So we are getting minus 6, minus 6. So lambda mu, the values lambda equal to 3, mu equal to 1 also satisfy the equations 5 and 6. Therefore, given two circles lie on the same sphere. Suppose if these two equations are not satisfied, values of lambda, and for lambda is equal to 3, mu equal to 1, then the given circles not lie in the same sphere. But here, that the remaining two equations also satisfied the values of lambda mu. Therefore, given two circles lie in the same sphere. Therefore, by one equation of required sphere is by 1. So we have to substitute lambda is equal to 3. So equal to by 1, here by 1. Lambda is equal to 3 means x square plus y square plus z square plus 3x. Lambda is equal to 3 means minus 4y plus 5z minus 6 equal to 0. So minus 6 equal to 0. So x square plus y square plus z square, lambda is equal to 3. Lambda is equal to 3 plus 3x minus 4y plus 5z minus 6 equal to 0. So finally, the given two circles lie on the same sphere, and the equation of a required sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 3x minus 4y plus 5z minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore, given circles lie on the sphere x square plus y square plus z square plus 3x minus 4y plus 5z minus 6 equal to 0. Minus 6 equal to 0. See another problem. Find the equation of the sphere. Find the equation of the sphere which passes through the circle x square plus y square equal to 4, x square plus y square equal to 4, z equal to 0, and is cut by the plane, x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 0 in a circle of radius 3. So now this plane section of sphere is of radius 3. Plane section of sphere, that means the circle of radius 3. So now we have to find the equation of the sphere which passes through x square plus y square equal to 4, z equal to 0, and it is cut by the plane. It becomes a circle. It is of radius 3. So first, we know that the equation of the required sphere through the given circle. Equation of the sphere through the given circle x square plus y square equal to 4, z equal to 0 is, we know that equation of the sphere through the given circle is s plus lambda phi equal to 0. So here s is x square plus y square minus 4 equal to 0, z equal to 0. So we can write equation of required sphere through the given circle is x square plus y square minus 4 plus lambda z equal to 0. So we can write x square plus y square plus lambda z minus 4 equal to 0 plus lambda z minus 4 equal to 0. X square plus y square plus lambda z minus 4 equal to 0. So now compare with the general equation. What is the general equation? X square plus y square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. So x square plus y square plus z square here because z is 0. So x square plus y square, we can write this equation x square plus y square plus z square plus lambda z minus 4 equal to 0. Because z is 0, we can write this equation x square plus y square plus z square plus lambda z minus 4 equal to 0 because z equal to 0. So comparing with the x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0, we can get 2u is equal to 0, 2v equal to 0, 2w equal to lambda, and d is equal to minus 4. Here x coefficient is 2u, y coefficient is 2v, z coefficient is 2w, and constant is d. So here I have not written plus z square because z is 0. That's why I have not written. So this can be written as x square plus y square plus z square plus 0x plus 0y plus lambda z minus 4 equal to 0. So comparing with the general equation x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0, we'll get 2u equal to 0, 2v equal to 0, 2w equal to lambda, d equal to minus 4. Here I have not written plus z square because z is 0. So u is equal to 0, v equal to 0, w is equal to lambda. We know that the center of sphere for the general form minus u minus v minus w. So u is 0, 0, 0 minus w means minus lambda. So center of sphere is a 0, 0 minus lambda. Now radius of sphere. We know the radius of sphere for the general equation. Radius of sphere for the general equation r is equal to root of u square plus v square plus w square minus 3. U is 0, v is 0, w square is a lambda square by 4. Because here w is minus lambda by 2. Whole square means minus lambda whole square is lambda square plus by 2 square means 4 minus d. D is a minus 4 here, minus plus 4. So we'll get LCM is of 4 lambda square plus 4 into 4 16 plus 4 into 4 16. So this is the radius of sphere. So we can find P. To find the radius of a circle, we need root of r square minus p square. I have already I find radius of sphere r equal to root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. That is root of 0 plus 0 plus lambda square by 4 plus 4. This is a by 4 lambda square plus 16 by 4. So now P is equal to the perpendicular. We know that the P means the perpendicular distance from the center of sphere 1 to the plane. So here plane is x plus 2y plus 2z equals 0. So we know radius of sphere is the root of y u square plus v square plus w square minus d. And radius of sphere is the root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. So 0 plus 0 plus lambda square by 4 plus 4, that is the root of lambda square plus 16 by 4. So P means the perpendicular distance from the center to the plane, from center of sphere to the plane. So we know that the perpendicular distance formula from x1 y1 z1 to the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equals 0 is the ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d by root of a square plus b square plus c square. So perpendicular distance from the center to the plane is substitute x equals 0, x is 0, y is 0, substitute this point in this plane, y is 0, and z is the minus lambda by 2, that is the minus 2 lambda by 2, root of a square, 1 square, b square plus c square. So root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. We know the perpendicular distance from a point x1 y1 z1 to the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equals 0 is ax plus ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Just substitute this point. Perpendicular distance means this plane by root of x coefficient square plus y coefficient square plus z coefficient square. So we'll get t is equal to 2 will be cancelled here. 2 will be cancelled. We'll get minus lambda root of 1 plus 4 plus 4. So this is a root 9. That is a minus lambda by 2. That is lambda by 3. So now given in the question, the sphere cuts in a circle. This sphere 1 cuts the plane in a circle of radius 3. So given the sphere, this sphere cuts the plane x plus 2y plus 2z equals 0 in a circle of radius 3, in a circle of radius 3. So we know radius of circle. In the last class we have seen radius of circle is root of r square minus p square. Root of r square minus p square. So here r is radius of sphere, lambda square plus 16 by 4. P square is a minus lambda square by 9. So squaring both sides, we'll get 9 is equal to 3 square is 9. So square it is a squaring, we get squaring will get lambda square plus 16 by 4 minus lambda square by 9. So from this 9 is equal to lambda square by 4, 16 by 4 plus 16 by 4 minus lambda square by 9 plus 16 by 4. 9 is equal to here LCM is 36. 9 into 4, 36. So we'll get 9 lambda square minus 4 lambda square. So LCM is a 36. 9 lambda square minus 4 lambda square. And 16 by 4 is a 4. So taking right side, 9 minus 4, 5. We'll get 5 lambda. 9 lambda square minus 4 lambda square is 5 lambda square by 36. 5 will be cancelled. We'll get lambda square by 36 equal to 1. So lambda square equal to 36. Lambda equal to plus or minus 6. So we know that the radius of circle is root of r square minus p square. R means radius of sphere. Here formula root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. So from this 0 plus lambda square by 4, u is 0, v is 0, lambda square by 4 plus 4, root of lambda square plus 16 by 4. So now P means perpendicular distance from the center of sphere 1 to the plane x plus 2y plus 2z equals 0. We write just substitute this value, substitute this point 0 plus 0, 2 into minus lambda by 2 minus lambda by root of a square. x coefficient square 1 square, y coefficient square 2 square, z coefficient square 2 square. So we'll get lambda by 3. So now we have to find the sphere. This cuts the plane in a circle of radius 3. You know that radius of circle is the root of r square minus p square. Substitute r square is a lambda square plus 16 by 4 minus lambda square by 9. So 9 squaring both sides. 9 equal to lambda square plus 16 by 4 minus lambda square by 9. So 9 equal to lambda square 4 minus lambda square by 9 plus 16 by 4. So finally we are getting 36 is LCM here plus 4. 9 lambda square minus 4 lambda square, 5 lambda square by 36 plus 4, 9 minus 4. Taking the left side, 4, 9 minus 4 is 5. So 5 will be cancelled. We'll get a lambda square by 36 equal to 1. 5 will be cancelled. We'll get 1 here. Lambda square equal to 36. Lambda equal to plus or minus 6. So therefore, required sphere is equations of required sphere is one is we write x square plus y square plus or minus 6z minus 4 equal to 0. So by 1 here lambda is we are getting plus or minus 6. So finally we are getting law x square plus y square plus or minus 6z minus 4 equal to 0. So we get two equations. So two equations, two spheres we will get. One sphere is x square plus y square plus 6z minus 4 equal to 1 sphere. It cuts the given plane in a circle of radius 3. And another sphere is x square plus y square minus 6z minus 4 equal to 0. So these are the problems on circle. You see intersection of sphere and line. How to find suppose the sphere and line are intersects. How to find the points of intersection. Points of the intersection. Let x square, let the given sphere x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equals 0. So this is the given sphere and given line x minus alpha by l, y minus beta by m is equal to z minus gamma by n be the equations of the given sphere and line. This is a sphere, this is the line. Now we have to find the points of intersection of the sphere and line. First I will write any point on the line. So here given line x minus alpha by l, y minus beta by m, z minus gamma by n equal to t. So now any point on this line is here. From this, if you take this to x minus alpha by l is equal to t, x minus alpha by l is equal to t, we'll get x minus alpha equal to lt, x equal to lt plus alpha. So we will take x minus alpha by l is equal to t, we will get x minus alpha equal to lt, x equal to alpha plus lt. So x equal to alpha plus lt, that is lt plus alpha, x equal to lt plus alpha. And if you take these two, y minus beta by m equal to t, so we'll get y minus beta equal to mt, y is equal to mt plus beta. So y is equal to mt plus beta. If you take these two, z minus gamma by n equal to t, so z equal to nt plus gamma. So from these two, z minus gamma is equal to nt, we will get z equal to nt plus gamma, z equal to nt plus gamma. So any point on the line is of the form lt plus alpha, mt plus beta, nt plus gamma. So if you take any point on the line, this is of the form, we'll get different points for the different values of t. So just it is simple. If you take the first and last take x minus alpha equal to x minus alpha by l equal to t, we'll get x minus alpha equal to lt. That is, we get x equal to lt plus alpha. If you take this two, y minus beta by m equal to t, y minus beta equal to mt, we will get y is equal to mt plus beta. And similarly, if you take these two, z minus gamma equal to nt, z equal to nt plus gamma. So substitute these values of x, y, z in the given sphere. So here x is lt plus alpha whole square, y is mt plus beta, and z is nt plus gamma whole square, and 2ux right in place of u of lt plus alpha, 2e of y in place of y mt plus beta, 2w of in place of z nt plus gamma, So write in place of z nt plus gamma plus t. So substitute values x equal to LT plus alpha, y is equal to MT plus beta, z equal to NT plus gamma in the given equation. So x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equals 0. So here x is a LT plus alpha, y is MT plus beta, z is NT plus gamma. Here 2ux LT plus alpha, here 2vy MT plus beta, here z is NT plus gamma. So here we observe, here we are getting LT plus alpha whole square. First term is L square T square. Here first term is M square T square. Here first A plus B whole square formula. A square plus 2AB plus B square. That's why here first term is L square T square. Here first term is M square T square. Here first term is N square T square. So taking common T square, we'll get L square plus M square plus N square of T square. So in first three terms, first term is here L square T square, M square T square, here N square, T square. Taking common T square, we'll get L square plus M square plus N square of T square. Here you have the second term. Second term, we will get 2LT alpha. 2LT alpha. Here 2M beta T. Here 2N gamma T. And T term here 2UL T. Here 2VM T, 2WN T. So taking common T in every term, 2 is there, 2 taking common T. So here we'll get 2L alpha T. Here 2LU alpha. So taking in these two terms, in the second term, in this first term, common L into alpha plus U. And here 2M beta T. Here we are getting 2VMT. So 2 already common. Taking common M, we'll get, so beta MT here, beta here 2M beta, taking common M, beta plus here V, here 2V beta, 2V MT, here M common taken, beta plus. And here 2NT gamma, taking a 2T common, 2NT common, N common, we'll get N of gamma plus W, N of gamma plus W. Here gamma, it is miss N of gamma plus here gamma. So alpha, beta, gamma. Here we have to get gamma. And into gamma plus W of T. Constant term is here third term, alpha square. So here A plus B whole square means A square plus 2AB plus B square. Last term alpha square. Here third term beta square plus gamma square. And here constant 2U alpha, 2V beta plus 2W gamma plus D equals 0. So here first term is L square T square. Here M square T square, here N square T square, taking common T square, L square plus M square plus N square of T square. So 2LT alpha, so 2T common, L common, L into alpha. Here 2LT common, alpha plus U will get. Similarly here 2M beta T, 2MT common, M common, beta plus here V. Similarly N into gamma, here this is gamma plus W of T, and constant is here B square, alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square, and 2U alpha, 2V beta, 2W gamma plus D. So this is a quadratic equation in T. So this is the quadratic equation in T. We have to, if you solve this equation, we get two values for T, because it is a quadratic equation of degree 2, it is degree 2. So we'll get two values, say T1, T2. So the 4 points of intersection are, one point is a LT1 plus alpha, MT1 plus beta, NT1 plus gamma, 1 point. And if you write T2, LT2 alpha plus alpha, MT2 beta plus NT2 gamma, another point of intersection. So substituting T is equal to T1 and T2. Substitute T1 and T2, we'll get 2 points. Okay, we see one problem. So substitute T is equal to T1, we get 1 point. And in place of T2, if you write T equal to T2, LT2 plus alpha, MT2 plus beta, NT2 plus gamma. This is another point. See another problem. find the coordinates, find the coordinates of the points where the line 1 by 4 x plus 3 is equal to 1 by 3 y plus 4 minus 1 by 5 z minus 8 intersects the sphere x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x minus 10y is equal to 23. So to find the point of intersection of sphere and line, first you write the point on the line is taking is equal to, you write any point on the line and substitute this in the given sphere. We get the values of the two values. From the substituting those two values t, we will get the 2 points of intersection. So here given line, what is the given line here? X plus 3 by 4 is equal to y plus 4 by 3, z minus 8 by minus 5 equal to is equal to tc. First you take first two, x plus 3 equal to, you take x plus 3 by 4 equal to t, x plus 3 equal to 4t, x equal to 4t minus 3. Similarly, second, y plus 4 equal to 3t, y equal to 3t minus 4. And last one, z minus 8 by minus 5 equal to t, that equal z minus 8 equal to the minus 5t, that equal to z equal to minus 5t plus 8. So we'll get z equal to minus 5t plus 8. So now any point on line is 4t minus 3. So x is 4t minus 3, y is 3t minus 4, and minus 5t plus 8. So just first write any point on the given line. Just for to write this point, taking is equal to t, say, you get x plus 3 equal to 4t, x equal to 4t minus 3. Similarly, y plus 4 by 3 equal to t, we'll get y plus 4 equal to 3t, we'll get y equal to 3t minus 4. And z minus 8 equal to minus 5t, we'll get z equal to minus 5t plus 8. So any point on line is of 4t minus 3, 3t minus 4, minus 5t plus 8. Now this point lies on the sphere F. So now to find point of intersection of this line and sphere, substitute this point in the given sphere. So substituting here, given sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x minus 10y is equal to 23. So plus 2x minus 10y equal to 23. So here x equal to 4t minus 3, y is equal to 3t minus 4, z equal to minus 5t plus, substitute this size. So 4t minus 3 whole square, x equal to y is equal to y square means 3t minus 4 whole square, z means minus 5t plus 8 whole square, and 2 into x, x is 4t minus 3, y is 3t minus 4 is equal to 23. So from this a minus b whole square, we know that a minus b whole square is formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square means 4t whole square, 16 square, 16t square, minus 2ab means 6 into 4, 24t, plus b square plus 3 square is 9. Similarly here, 9t square minus 2ab minus 2 into 3t into 4 minus 24t plus b square 4 square 16. Here a square 25t square minus 2ab minus 2ab means 2 into 5t 8t, so 10 into 8 80t. So minus 2ab means here 2 into 8 into 5t minus 80t. So now 2 into 4t 80, and b square is 8 square 64, 2 into 4t 80, 2 into 3 minus 6, minus 10 into 3t minus 30t. So minus 10 into minus 4, 40 is equal to 23. So here t square, 16t square, 9t square, 25t square. 16 plus 9, 25. 25 plus 25, 50. That's why 50t square. Here minus 24t minus 24t minus 48t. So 24t minus 48t minus 48t plus 8t minus 40t minus 40t minus 30t minus 70t minus 80t, total minus 150t. Here minus 24 minus 48 plus 8 minus 40 minus 30 minus 70 minus 80 minus 150. So finally we are getting 50t square minus 50t constant. Here 9 plus 16, 25. If taking the left side, 25 minus 23, 2. So 9 plus 16 is 25. 25 minus 23 is 2. And 2 plus 64 is 66 minus 6, 60. Plus 40, 100. We'll get 100. Or we can like this. So 9 plus 16, 25. 25 is 64. 25, 64. 89. 25. 25. So 9 plus 16, 25. 25, 64, 89. 89 minus 6, 83. 83 plus 40, 123. 23, if you take left side, minus 23. 123 minus 23, 100. So finally we get 50t square minus 150t plus 100 equals 0. Here, 16 plus 9, 25, 25, 50. And minus 24, minus 48. Minus 48 to minus 80, minus 128 plus 8, minus 120, minus 30, minus 150. And constant, 9 plus 16, 25. Or 25, 64, 89. 89 minus 6, 83. Plus 40, 123. Taking this is the left side, minus 23. 123 minus 23, 100. So dividing by 3. So dividing by 3, this is a t square. So dividing by 50, you'll get t square minus 3t plus 2. T square minus 3t plus 2 equals 0. So here this can be written as t minus 1 and t minus 2, because we can write minus 3t as a minus 2t minus 2, taking t common, t minus 2 minus 1 common, t minus 2, 1 into t minus 2. Because if you expand this, t square minus 2t minus t minus 3t plus 2. So this can be written as t minus 1 into t minus 2. So finally you get the answers. T is equal to 1, t is equal to 2. Now points of intersection of given sphere and circle. Substitute t is equal to 1. So substitute t is equal to 1. Substitute t is equal to 1. So write t is equal to 1. 4 minus 3. 3 minus 4. Minus 5 plus 8. So 4 minus 3. 3 minus 4 minus 5 plus 8. 1 minus 1, 3. Writing t is equal to 2. T is equal to 2. 4 into 2, 8. 8 minus 3. And 8 minus 3. This is. And 3t minus 4. T is equal to 2. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4. Here minus 10 plus 8. Minus 2. So 5, 2, minus 2. So substitute values t is equal to 1. T is equal to 2. We'll get here 4, t is equal to 1. 4 minus 3. Here 3 minus 4. And minus 5 plus 8. And substituting t is equal to 2. T equal to 8 minus 3. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 minus 3. Here 3 into 2, 6 minus 4. Minus 5 plus minus 10 plus 8. Because minus 5t is a minus 5 into 2. So this is the this is the find of intersection of the given sphere and circular 1 minus 1, 3, 5, 2 minus 2. So you can cross check it whether the satisfying or not. So to find the points of intersection of the given sphere and line, just substitute. First write any point on the line, taking is equal to so find x, y equal to here x plus equal to 40, x equal to 40 minus 3. Similarly, y, z, and substitute this value on the given circle. Find the values of t. We will get 2 values. Substituting t values, we will get the 2 points. So this is the point of intersection of sphere and line. So finally, great circle means if the center of sphere passes through the given plane, then the plane section of the sphere is called the great circle. So when do you say given circle is called great circle? If the center of sphere is passes through the plane. So we know that circle means it is a plane. It is a plane section of sphere. That plane passes through the center of the sphere. And if it is a great circle, then center of circle is same as center of sphere, and radius of circle is same as radius of sphere. Thank you.